Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you about the finite verb. There are two kinds of verbs, finite and non-finite. In this video, I am explaining the finite verbs. Finite verb that changes as per the subject and the tense, right? जो verb subject and tense के according change हो जाते हैं, that are called finite verbs. Now finite verbs are further divided into three parts: transitive, intransitive, and auxiliaries. Now, for first question is, what is transitive verb? Verb that is having object, right? Like sentence is, I wrote a letter. Here the verb is wrote, right? But I wrote what? A letter. So letter is our object. So when object is there in the sentence, so verb will be called transitive. So here the verb wrote is called transitive verb. Intransitive verb which is not having any kind of object, right? Suppose the sentence is I am playing. Here the verb is am playing, but it doesn't show what I am playing. So here there is no object, right? So verb without object is called intransitive verb. And the third is the auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are the helping verbs. Right? In sentences, there are auxiliaries. Suppose in this sentence, I am playing. Playing is your main verb, but am is your auxiliary. So, auxiliaries are the helping verbs. They are further divided into two parts: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Now, what is primary auxiliaries? There are three different kinds of primary auxiliaries. First is form of do, form of have, and form of be. Now, form of do. In that, do, did, and does, right? They are used as per the tense. In the present tense, we use do. In the past tense, we use did. And in simple present, again third person singular, then we use does. So, form of do are do, did, and does. They are called primary auxiliaries. Second form is have. In that category, we have, has, and had. All these are also called primary auxiliaries. And third one is form of be. Now, what is form of be? In present tense, we use am, is, are. In past, we use was, were, right? And in future reference, in perfect and perfect continuous, we use been and been. So, all these are am, is, are, was, were, been, and been are form of be. Sometimes we use be, but sometimes it is also used as in infinitives, right? So, it is the optional case. So, these are the primary auxiliaries. And now, next is modals. Now, what is modals? They are also helping verbs, right? And they also change according to the subject or the tense. Like, these are the examples of modals: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. So, these are the auxiliaries, right? Again, we are going through the form of the finite verb. Finite verb that changes as per the subject or the tense are called the finite verbs. There are three categories: transitive, intransitive, and auxiliaries. Verb that is having object is called transitive verb. Verb without object is called intransitive verb. And auxiliary verbs are the helping verb. Now, transitive, there is no kind of subcategory, but in intransitive also there are no categories. In auxiliaries, we have primary and modals. Primary auxiliaries, form of do, form of have, and form of be. And in modals, we have can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. I hope the topic is clear. We will go about the non-finite verb in the next video. Keep watching. Thank you.